You seem off.
Yeah, a bit.
Something happened?
Yes, today.
At work?
Yes, meeting.
What happened?
I froze.
You froze?
Completely froze.
Why though?
I got nervous.
Very nervous?
Very, very nervous.
What caused it?
Everyone watching.
That feels intense.
Too intense.
What did you say?
Wrong thing.
Then what?
Silence happened.
Long silence?
Felt very long.
Anyone reacted?
Manager corrected.
How did you feel?
Very small.
Small how?
Not confident.
Did you stop?
Yes, stopped.
Why stop?
I felt ashamed.
That is tough.
Very tough.
Still thinking?
All day.
What thoughts?
Not good enough.
Do you believe?
Partly, yes.
Other part?
Says no.
That matters.
But feeling strong.
Feelings feel loud.
Very loud.
Did they judge?
I think so.
Or you think?
Maybe me.
Be honest.
I judged myself.
That is key.
Feels true.
What scared most?
That moment.
Freeze moment?
Yes, that.
Mind blank?
Completely blank.
Body reaction?
Hands shaking.
Voice change?
Very weak.
You felt exposed.
Very exposed.
Like everyone saw?
Everything saw.
But listen,
Okay.
did they attack?
No, they did not.
Did they laugh?
No, not really.
Then what happened?
I froze only.
That is it.
Feels bigger.
Because of thoughts.
Yes, thoughts.
Mind goes negative.
Very fast.
What after meeting?
I avoided people.
Left early?
Yes, quickly.
Helped you.
Felt safe.
But not helpful.
Not helpful.
Did you replay?
Again and again.
Focus on what?
Every detail.
Words and faces?
Yes, both.
And your voice?
Yes, weak.
That is feeling.
Feels real.
Feelings change truth.
I know that.
But still hard.
Very hard.
Do you fear tomorrow?
Yes, a lot.
Why tomorrow?
Facing them again.
What will happen?
They remember me.
And judge?
Yes, judge me.
Or maybe forget.
I cannot believe.
Why not?
I remember everything.
You are harder.
Yes, very hard.
So what now?
I feel stuck.
You are not.
Feels like it.
You have choice.
Choice scares me.
Which choice more?
Trying again.
Why that?
Might repeat.
Same moment?
Yes, same fear.
And if repeat?
Feels worse.
Or handle better?
Not sure.
Be honest now.
Okay.
Do you want try?
I want to try.
Say stronger.
I want to try.
Even scared.
Even scared.
Even shake.
Even shake.
Good choice.
Still heavy.
Fear stays.
Very strong.
But you stay.
I will stay.
That matters.
Feels different.
How different?
Less stuck.
That is progress.
Small progress.
Small is enough.
I believe that.
What is plan?
Go tomorrow.
Good.
Speak once.
Simple start.
If freeze,
Pause first.
then what?
Say one word.
Just one?
Yes, one.
Feels possible.
Keep simple.
No perfect.
No perfect.
Perfection hurts.
It blocks you.
Yes, blocks me.
Let it go.
I will try.
Not try.
I decide.
Better.
I feel ready.
Not perfect ready.
Just ready.
That is enough.
Still nervous.
Nervous is okay.
means I care.
Exactly that.
I care deeply.
That is strength.
Feels like weakness.
It is strength.
I see now.
Say it
I am strong.
again.
I am strong.
Believe it.
I will believe.
Tomorrow tests you.
I accept that.
Stay present.
One moment.
One sentence.
One word.
Exactly.
No running.
Stay there.
I will stay.
That is courage.
Feels like fear.
Fear with action.
That is new.
That is growth.
I feel better.
You changed today.
Yes, I changed.
Say it clearly.
I changed today.
Now prove it.
I will.